Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Carrot is a versatile vegetable and you can make several dishes, both savory and sweets, using carrots. And today I'm going to share a wonderful sweet recipe. We're going to make this really simple and easy to make delicious carrot ladoos. So why wait? Let's get started and check it out. For the carrot ladoo, first I'm going to roast some cashew nuts and raisins. To the pan, I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Just add a few bits of cashew nuts. So just roast the cashew nuts till they turn to a nice golden color. Once the cashew nuts have turned to a nice golden color, just add a few raisins. So you can see the raisins have plumped up beautifully. Turn off the stove, remove the raisins and cashew nuts and keep it aside. Keeping the flame on low, to the same pan, I'm adding another 2 tablespoons of ghee. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Sooji, that is Rava. So just roast the Sooji Rava just for about a minute on low flame. For this recipe, I've taken about 500 grams of grated carrots. Make sure the carrots are nice and fresh and they're nice and sweet as well. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. Do not keep it on high. After about 2 minutes, I'm adding half cup of freshly grated coconut. Add about 2 spoons of ghee and mix everything well. Close the pan and cook the carrot and coconut on low flame just for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see the carrot is cooked beautifully. Now we can add the sugar. So I'm adding about 3/4 cup of sugar for this recipe. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Continue cooking on low flame. After 5 minutes, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add the roasted cashews and raisins and mix everything well. Just look at that beautiful orange color from the carrots. This is a very quick and simple ladoo that you can make anytime. If you're craving for something sweet and if you have no snacks at home or if you're having some friends over, this Gajar ladoo is perfect. You can quickly whip up in less than 30 minutes. The mixture for the ladoo is done. Turn off the stove. Just cool it a little bit and now you can start shaping the ladoos. Shape the carrot mixture into even sized ladoos and you can enjoy them immediately. You can leave it at room temperature for up to a day, but if you want to store it for more than 2 days, make sure you refrigerate them. I've made other ladoo recipes. I'll give you all the links in the description. You can check them out as well. So here we've made these simple yet tasty carrot ladoos. So I've got about 13 of them, but if you want to make it smaller or bigger, the number of ladoos may vary accordingly. So it's time to taste. Let me taste and let you know how it is. Wow, that mouthful was just simply amazing with those nice flavors of carrot and coconut and the cashew nuts, and it is very moist and very fresh. I highly recommend you guys try this and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below while I enjoy and finish off my ladoo. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.